5 seconds to go. Start. Whenever, owing to any sudden change in the channel of any navigable river or other unforeseen emergency, it becomes necessary for any railway administration to acquire the immediate possession of any land for the maintenance of their traffic or for the purpose of making their own a riverside or ghat station, or of providing convenient connection with or access to any such station, or the appropriate government considers it necessary to acquire the immediate possession of any land for the purpose of maintaining any structure or system pertaining to irrigation, water supply, drainage, road communication or electricity, the collector may, immediately after the publication of the notice mentioned in subsection 1 and with the previous sanction of the appropriate government, enter upon and take possession of such land, which shall thereupon vest absolutely in the government, free from all encumbrances. Stop para. Provided that the collector shall not take possession of any building or part of a building under this subsection without giving to the occupier thereof at least 48 hours notice of his intention so to do, or such longer notice as may be reasonably sufficient to enable such occupier to remove his movable property from such building without unnecessary inconvenience. Stop para. In every case, under either of the preceding subsections, the collector shall at that time of taking possession offer to the persons interested compensation for the standing crops and trees, if any, on such land and from any other damage sustained by them caused by such sudden disposition and not accepted in section 24 semicolon and in case such offer is not accepted, the value of such crops and trees and the amount of such other damage shall be allowed for in awarding compensation for the land under the provisions herein contained. Stop para. Before taking possession of any land under subsection 1 or subsection 2, the collector shall, without prejudice to the provisions of subsection 3, stop para, tender payment of 80% of the compensation for such land as estimated by him to the persons interested entitled thereto, and pay it to them, unless prevented by some one or more of the contingencies mentioned in section 31, subsection 2, and where the collector is so prevented, the provisions of section 31, subsection 2, except the second proviso thereto, shall apply as they apply to the payment of compensation under that section. Stop para. The amount paid or deposited under section 3A shall be taken into account for determining the amount of compensation required to be tendered under section 31, and where the amount so paid or deposited exceeds the compensation awarded by the collector under section 11, the excess may, unless refunded within 3 months from the date of collector's award, be recovered as an arrear of land revenue. Stop.